Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your Canva designs to a Wix Studio repeater so you can create professional dynamic layouts that showcase your software tutorials or market analysis with a consistent blue hour aesthetic in 2026. Let's get into it. First, export your design from Canva. The first step is preparing your visual assets within Canva. Since we are using these in a repeater, you want to ensure each image has the same dimensions to maintain a clean, symmetrical look across your professional grid. Open your project in Canva. Once your graphics are finalized, click the Share button in the top right corner and select Download. Choose PNG for the highest clarity or JPEG if you want to keep the file size smaller for faster mobile loading. Save the files to a dedicated folder on your PC. This is the preparation phase. In 2026, page speed is critical for your viewers. By choosing the right format now, you ensure that when you drag these into Wix Studio, they retain their candid quality without slowing down your site's performance. Next, add a repeater in Wix Studio. Now head over to the Wix Studio editor. Instead of adding a single image, we are going to use an interactive element to display multiple Canva designs in a structured, responsive way. Click the plus icon in the top left to open the Add Elements panel. Navigate to the Interactive section. Locate the Repeater category and drag a layout, like a horizontal or vertical grid, onto your page section. This is the structure phase. In 2026, repeaters are the professional standard for lists or portfolios. Whatever change you make to the design of one item, like adding a border or a shadow, will automatically apply to all other items in the list, saving you hours of manual editing on your PC. Lastly, drag and drop your Canva images. This is the fastest way to populate your repeater. You don't need to manually upload through the Media Manager if you have your folder open on your desktop. Open your PC's file manager and find the PNG or JPEG files you downloaded from Canva. Click and drag an image from your folder directly onto the image placeholder inside the first repeater box. Repeat this for the other items in the list. This is the integration phase. In 2026, Wix Studio's Direct Drop feature automatically uploads the file to your site's library while simultaneously placing it in the element. This pro workflow allows you to quickly swap out amateur quality placeholders for your high-end Canva designs in seconds. And that's pretty much it. To add Canva designs to a Wix Studio repeater in 2026, download your PNGs from Canva and head to the interactive menu in Wix Studio to add a repeater. Drag an image element into the first box, then simply drag and drop your files from your PC's file manager into the containers. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.